बभूव निर्मला सापि तपसा क्षीणकल्मषा तस्थौ सा खिला संसार हेयतां हृदि कुर्वती. Therefore, it is necessary that we spend every day at least few hours, to begin with few minutes, only with ourselves and not reacting to anything or anybody. I am addressing those who are the seekers of truth, according to Yoga Vasishta. I am not interested in discussions. Because you see, anywhere question and answer sessions go, it gets digressed and we try to prove something to somebody and it never happens. Because this world being the expression of the truth, everything is right, nothing is wrong in this world. Therefore, we have to first of all cool our mind that it does not react. Now to understand this, take an example. If you take, let us say, a pond of water, very shallow, and you just put even a dry leaf, that water will react in the form of wrinkles or the small ripples will come on it. Not wrinkles, or ripples or wavelets will come on it. Now if you put even the whole sea into deep ocean, then not a single ripple will come. See? So wherever there is a depth, there is no reaction. These two examples belonging to the liquid, shallow waters and deep waters. Both are liquids. Now take another one. If you throw a stone, rather than a stone, a ball, rubber ball, tennis ball. If you throw a tennis ball on a hard floor, it will rebound. If you throw the same ball from the same height on a Dunlop bed, it will not. And if you put that same ball into mud, it will stuck there. See? These are different qualities of our mind. When the mind is too hard, like a floor, it will always react. See? And if the mind is like the water, either it will be a shallow understanding leading into arguments, questions, or if it is deep, Bhagwan Ramana Maharshi, no talk. So, where are we standing? Are we at the floor level, very hard, rebounding the ball? Or we are at Bhagwan Ramana Maharshi's level, even the ship sinks, nothing happens. So where we have to be? So we have to find out a place in our life. And that place is the mud. Let the ball fall. We don't react. We don't get influenced. But we absorb that. We swallow that. Meaning, we stop reacting in life. And swallowing that means what? Then we start learning from every experience. This ability to learn from every experience is a process of spiritual practice leading to the Nirvikalpa Samadhi. So when you are sitting quiet, and if something happens good or bad somewhere, and if our mind is reacting, then from such a reactionary mind, only biasness will come out. See, the wisdom will not come out. Therefore, for every one of us, we must have a daily appointment with ourselves. During that time, we are neither mother, father, brother, sister, husband, wife, none of them. Spend time with yourself. This is what Bhagavan Shankara says, Kastvam koham kutamaya taha kame janani kome tataha